Hey guys, how are you doing? So, what we've been asked to do is just tidy this person's garden up. I've been round, had a quick look. It's only a small garden, so we're going to be cutting it and getting a treatment on. Which is the iron sulphate and the weed killer, not the weed killer, iron sulphate and the seaweeds. And the iron is to harden the turf. We're on a main road here. The iron is to harden the turf and blacken off any moss, where the seaweed is to promote good conditions under the soil, and it helps with the roots and the microbiology. So, but there's quite a bit of disease in this lawn, which you'll see more as we give it a good cut. So can you see that central lawn there, how it's not a lush deep green and it's got yellow flecks in it? And this is what I mean, these are the kind of things that we identify. Oh, well, they've got Chafer grubs as well. Interesting. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Yeah, still alive. Great. Great. It's been one of those years for it. So, yeah, it's lifting up like a carpet. What I'm doing, it's not too bad here. You can't lift it up. Towards this end. And over there. But you can see it there. So it's that kind of section there. I'll have to let the customer know about that.
Jungle out there. Everybody got a wild side. Yeah, you're probably about to see mine. Come on, don't you think it's about time to live it up, can't get it up, of your wild side. Everybody got a wild side. Yeah, you're probably about to see mine. Come on, don't you think it's about time to live it up, can't get it up, of your wild side. Wild side. Everybody got a wild side. Let's live it up, can't get it up, of your wild side. Last night, thunder, roll another number. The guys are looking out for you. Everybody's got something to say. Everybody's got something to say. Communication, lost in translation. The joker got his hands to you. Creeping in your back door, knocking on your window. Hopefully my love shines through. Everybody's got something to say. Everybody's got something to say. The darkest.
Right guys, so when I first came to this, I could see the brown patches in the lawn, thinking, oh, it's just disease, because there's been so much disease about this year. It's been so wet, and been putting fungicides on and clearing it up. Now there is definitely some disease in this, but there is also some chafer grubs, so I'm just going to show you that. You see down here, this is lifting up really easily. If we peel the turf back, you can see the little critters there, look. Now that one arguably has died, but that one is still moving, so they're in that hibernation phase. So it's just something to be aware of. Just because the lawn is brown doesn't mean one thing, it could mean multiple things, and you have to investigate the cause.